Okay, subtraction of unlike fraction. How to subtract any two unlike fraction that we'll discuss now. Okay, so we learn the addition, isn't it? Addition and subtraction is almost same. So, okay, your question will come like this. Now, look at here. Okay, subtract 2 by 5 from 1 by 2. So here you have to understand this word also. Okay, what is the meaning of this 5 first of all? That is your first work. Okay, or your question may be find the difference between 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Like this question also may be there. Like find the difference between 1 by 2 and anything may be there. Okay, suppose 2 by 1 by 2 and 3 by 8. So from which number you have to subtract this? Which number you have to write as a front? How to know this? In addition, we can write any number front. Okay. In addition, we can write any fraction front, smaller or larger. That won't be matter in case of addition. But in subtraction, look, always we have to write the greater fraction first. Okay. If there is and, then if there is from, then that's okay. Look, from means you have to subtract 2 by 5 from 1 by 2. From 1 by 2 you have to subtract, means 1 by 2 should be front. Okay, or you can compare that fraction as well in subtraction. Compare means find the cross product. What it will be? 2 2s are what? 4, right? 1 5s are what? What is
5.
the product? 5 means which is greater? Which fraction is larger here?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 is larger, right? So that fraction should be 1 by 2 is greater, means that fraction should be front. Among these two, which should be front? Tell me that once. 1 by 2, and suppose if you have this question 3 by 8, which we have to write first?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, yeah, because find the cross product. 1 8 is 8, 2 3 is 6.
6.
That means 8 is a larger number, means obviously 1 by 2 is a large fraction or greater fraction, and 3 by 6 is a smaller fraction. Okay, so greater fraction always we have to write first in a subtraction, in case of subtraction. Okay, so compare that first. Which fraction is greater? Compare that. Now other everything will be same. Just remember that things. In subtraction, greater fraction should be front, otherwise you will get your answer in a negative answer. Okay, you will get your answer negative. So now what is the LCM of 2 and 5? Let's find that. What is the LCM of 2 and 5?
1.
2.
10.
Yeah. Other is 10 is the LCM. Write the table. Okay, not the factors. LCM means multiples, right? Table of 2, table
10.
of 5, yeah, which is common one, that will be the LCM. Okay,
10.
so table of 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Write it until you get the common in both. Okay, I just wrote directly. Okay, in 5 1 table also you will get 10. In table of 2 also you will get the 10. That means your LCM is what? Your LCM is 10. 2 and 5 1 LCM is 10. 10 is the most smallest common multiples in both of the numbers, so 10 is your LCM. So now both denominator, let's make here 10. Look, you know the rules, right? For 2 by which you have to multiply to make here 10. 2, how many it will be 10?
5.
Yeah. For denominator, you have to multiply and you have to make 10. So look, you have 1 by 2. If you multiply 2 by 5, 2 5s, it will be 10. So up also or numerator also multiply by 5. So 5 how many it will be 10? Another fraction is what? 2 by 5. So 5 2s are 10.
2.
So numerator also multiply by 2. Means if denominator you multiplied by 5, numerator also should be multiplied by 5. If you multiply denominator by 2, numerator also should be multiplied by 2. Okay, now look, write the product. Yes. Okay.
Sir, answer is 1 by 10.
So now subtract it, combine the numerator or write together, or directly you can subtract also. 5 minus 4 is what? In numerator. 5 minus
1.
4 is 1. And denominator
1 by
is
10.
10. In that way you have to do it. It's very simple, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So how to subtract this now? Look here, we got the two mixed fraction. So how to subtract? How can we subtract it now?
Turn it into that improper fraction.
Yeah. Both turn it into the improper fraction, then we can subtract them, right? Okay. Or directly also we can subtract. Okay. You can subtract whole number, or you can make this fractional part as a like fraction. You can subtract also. That is also the one method. So here, but in that case, sometime that backside one whole number may be larger. So instead of this one, here may be 5 also. So at that time we can't subtract 5 from 3. Okay. So if you convert this both of them into the improper fraction, then it will work for all types of questions. Okay. So what is the improper fraction for this?
27 by 8.
Yeah. So how to multiply or how to add that, yeah, you have to multiply 8 and 3 to convert into improper. Look at here. Okay. If you are confused, then 8 3s are 24 and add the numerator. Okay. That is 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. And another one, 10 1s are 10. 10 plus 7 is 10 plus 7 is what?
17.
17. So 17 by 10. So convert both of them into improper. Now let's find the LCM. Okay.
40.
Okay, let's find the LCM.
40.
So LCM of 8 and 10 is, write the table.
40.
Okay, that is 40. All right. Now both of the denominators should be converted into 40, right? Both of them we have to make 40 now. So for 8, by which we have to multiply to make it 40? For 8.
8 5 40.
8 5s are 40. Yeah. And for 10, you have to multiply by
4.
4. Check with denominator. Okay, don't care about the numerator. Numerator may be any number may be there. Like you have to make here 40. So 10, how many are 40? 10 4s are 40, means numerator also multiply by 4. 8, how many are 40? 8 5s are 40. So numerator also multiply by 5. In that way, you remember that. Now multiply them. 27 5s are how much? What is the product of 27 times 5?
135.
135 and 17 4s are. Find the product. Okay. How to find the quick product? Do you know how to find the quick product?
17 into 4 is.
Okay, look at here. Okay, one very common method I'll show you. Suppose you have to find 27 times 5. So without using calculator or without doing rough, how to solve it mentally? Once look at here. Okay,
I was searching for calculator.
look. Okay, 27, turn it into two numbers like 20 plus 7. Make a number in such a way that there will be 0. 27 means 20 plus 7. So now multiply 25 is how much? Solve it mentally. Okay, 25 is how much and 7 5s are how much? Multiply separately. 25 is 100. We can do it, yeah. Or 5 2s are 10 and 1 0 will be there. Look, it's very simple. Or 5 7s are, you will know that 5 plus 7 is what? 35. So now combine them. 100 plus 35 is how much? 135. Or suppose now 17 times 4. Suppose if you have to multiply 17 times 4, how to do quickly? 17 means 10 plus 7, right?
10 7 into 4.
Yeah, both of the number multiply by 4. Do it mentally. Okay, make a habit of that. Both of the number multiply by 4. Like 10 4s are 40. Yeah, and 7 4s are how much? 28. Up to 9 you must have to remember the table. Okay, otherwise we can't do it. That is the backbone. So now add them.
68.
40 plus 22 add also. You can use your tricks. Suppose if you have to add 28, then first add 20 only, and then add 8. We can do anything, right? Mentally we can solve by any way. 40 plus 20 is 60. It is very simple to add, isn't it? A number having a 0, that is very simple to add, multiply. Now, plus 8. 60 plus 8 is 68. You can add or multiply in that way, okay? Separate them into in terms of 0. Then find the product or subtraction, addition, you can do in that way. Now,
No.
subtract them.
135.
135 minus 68.
Carry over.
135 minus 68. Also, you can subtract accordingly. Okay, look, 135 first subtract 60 from here. Subtract 60 mentally. Subtract 60 mentally. Okay, mean 35. Go 10, 60 backward. Okay, means 135, 125, 115, like 15. In that way, you can count. Or if you want, you can do the drop also, which is easy for you. Do that.
130 minus 60. 130 minus 60.
Yeah, 130 minus 60 also you can do.
70.
Hmm.
70 minus 8. 8 minus 73.
70 minus 8 is what?
No, 70 minus 8 minus 5. 3 and 130 minus 60 equals to
Not
what?
8 minus 3. We should subtract the 5 minus 3. So it should be 2. And it should be 15. Odd number we need to make larger, no? That is
7.
7. So this one will come here. That is 67. Right? 67 by 40. So now again divide here and you will get the result. Divide it.
41 down. 40 minus I was 07. 27. 1 whole. 27 by 40.
Yeah, 1 whole 27 by 40 is your answer, right? In that way you have to do it. Okay, once let's copy this also. Is there any confusion? Look, on this question, you are first convert it into the improper one first. 1 whole 1 by 12 is there. That means, that is, how can we convert it? That is equals to
13 by 12.
13 by 12. But that is equals to 13 by 12. Multiply the denominator and
1 whole 13 by 50. 35.
Wait, okay. Not a 55, I guess. 55.
35.
45 also not a LCM of 12 and 16. So look.
No, I did not told LCM. LCM is 47. I told answer. 1 whole 13 by 35.
How it will be 35 in denominator? In denominator, it will be
48. 48.
yeah 48. Okay. So now find the LCM. What is the LCM of 12 and 16?
48.
48. Okay, we will have the method, right? Many methods are there. You can divide like this also. Look at here. If you are confused how to find the LCM, then you can divide both of them together by the prime number as well. You can divide them by 2. 2 6 is 12. If that is a small number, you can find by listing method, means by writing a table. You can do here also, you can do by table, but that may be when it comes about the large number, that may be lengthy. So now again divide both of them by 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Now can we divide both of them by the same number? No. So multiply them. 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 4 are 48. That means LCM is 48. Now both of them, both of their denominator make now 48. Okay. So 12 how many are 48 now? 12 4 are and 16 3s are. That means look, 52 by 48 minus 27 by 48. That means good. 25 by 48 is your answer. And we should not divide it, okay?
Yeah.
We should not divide here. If numerator is smaller, no need to divide. This is already into proper fraction. Where you got the mistake, Arvind?
Oh, I wrote 62. Yeah.
Look,